Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a complaint on Ryanair. So if you need to file a complaint with Ryanair, these are the steps that you need to take. They're pretty much straightforward. Number one, you can use the official feedback form. Ryanair provides an online form for submitting complaints or queries. So visit the Ryanair feedback page, then log into your Ryanair account, complete the form with details about your issues such as flight disruptions, baggage problems, or service concerns, and submit the form. Ryanair will respond via email. Also, you can just go ahead and launch your Ryanair website, scroll all the way down, and you'll find the option for you to contact Ryanair in the help center, or you scroll down to the footer itself and click on contact us, and it's going to take you to the contact us page where you can now contact Ryanair. So from here you have a couple of options. You can use let's chat, call us, all countries, contact details. You have queries and feedback. So from here you can just go ahead and click on queries and feedback and send and update the form and send your queries, whatever that you have, and head over to, you can click on let's chat, and from let's chat you see the detail options for this option. That's the Ryanair bot, offers 24/7 support. Also, customer care agents are available to support if you need further assistance. You can click on chat now and you're definitely going to respond to you. You can call us Ireland. Here is the details for that. This is the phone number for Ireland, and this is call us international. You're going to see the phone numbers for each. If you click on any of them, call us international English, here are the phone lines that are open, you see, and all countries contact details. Click on any of the countries and you find the contact details. This for queries and feedback, where you can click on this to fill out the queries and feedback form. So that's pretty much how it works. So tips for successful complaints, I'm going to walk you through that. Include flight numbers, dates, and any relevant documentation. Clearly state the issue and the resolution you're seeking. Save copies of all correspondence and submissions. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up or escalating the issue. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.